Good morning, scholars. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so let's rock our Tuesday. So as Nurses Appreciation Week comes to an end, there is a little bit of some history on two legendary nurses here for you to read in your morning message. Also here it says, tell someone at home one thing you learned about this message. So make sure you do that. I will post an activity for you to do. Oh, there we go. So today is Ahoy Matey, dress like a pirate day. Send me those pictures of you wearing that one patch on your eyes or that pirate hat, or maybe you have a pirate costume. Make it creative as you like. Thank you for Layla and Sophia for sending me pictures of not only patterns, but also the adventures of Flat Miss Today in reading, you're going to rewatch this teacher video about taking notes on our Native Americans. You are then going to use the information that you read from yesterday about the subtopics politics, food, and immigration, and you're going to put a comment into Padlet. Make sure you're reading other people's comments because you can leave a comment back with them. So for example, you can say something like, I agree with you that the Lenape had food like corn and peas because they lived off of the land. Something that you can have communication between each other. Remember, your Padlets are right here, so if you click it, it will go right into your Padlet online. Like always, we have our books to our Go Get Epic books, and we have our links to our articles here. Math today, you are going to be doing the day 1 of 7-11. You're going to need page 246 in your workbook, or you can print this page right here. You're going to watch this awesome teacher video by Mrs. Traverson, and then you're going to you're going to do the exit slip and then it will be sent to me automatically. You do not need to send me this picture of 246. That is for your work, but like always, if you would like to, you're more than welcome to. Uh-oh. Reload. All right, I think I fixed it. So we are now back on track. So here is your tribe project. You're going to print and decorate your teepee template if needed. So it's a template if you want to use it or if you want to create your own. Mrs. Traverson also has created an assembly video here for you to watch. You're going to create a scene to represent your tribe. So yesterday in our Zoom call, I talked to you about how you can create a scene based on the weather, based on the landscape, based on the food, based on the culture, based on maybe the activities like hunting or fishing. You want to create a scene that represents your tribe. So based on what you researched about them, you are going to make a teepee. So remember, you want to plan the scene first. Maybe some of you started that yesterday. Draw it with a pencil, color, then fold and glue. All right, and last but not least, we have our early finishers activities. Remember, if you're someone who is finishing really, really fast, try to check out one of these to do. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Remember to work hard, be kind, and shine bright. See you later, boys and girls.